This is a WaterPik WP100W, and I've got the classic problem with the valve leaking. So when you fill up this well with the water, it just starts coming out the bottom fairly strong. So I picked up some of these valves on Amazon. They just came in today. I'm going to try to replace it and see if that solves the problem. Read some reviews that these don't fit, the WP100 series. As far as I can tell, these look like the same size. Once I pop that valve out, we'll know for sure. But some of the Amazon reviews said these do not fit. I think they do, but we'll find out soon enough. The best I can tell, I think you want to pop the valve out, pushing it from the outside in. I don't think you want to go the other way. So I'm pushing some pressure on it from the back with my finger, and I'm going to try to just pull it out. Yeah, that came out just fine. So you don't want to try to pull it the other way. Go from the outside to the inside. So this is what the original valve looks like. And let's try to get one out from the bag. Okay, so this is the valve that came with my WaterPik. Here's the one from Amazon. It's on the right side. And as far as I can tell, these look to be identical in size. I don't think there's no difference in the size. They're definitely identical. So it's a rubberish material, so it's obvious that, when it gets old, the rubber gets hard and it's not going to work correctly. So I'm going to pop that in. I'm going to push it now in from the inside out. And we'll see how difficult that is to get in there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this with the camera. Oh, okay. Well, it pops in real easy. It is not a difficult job. So just do it from the inside. Let's fill this up with water. And hey, what do you know? You can already tell it's not leaking. So that's a real simple fix to get your WaterPik going. I'll put the link to this in the video description so you know the Amazon link for it. This is what the packaging looks like that it came in. And you get several of these in the bag. You get 6 of them total for about $9. So I'm going to put these in a Ziploc bag to keep the air out of them, and hopefully they'll last a while, because otherwise they're going to age once you open the bag. Just a quick snapshot of what this looks like on the Amazon site. It says it's a 6-piece replacement part reservoir tank valve. And the item description says WP100. Why some people in the reviews said this does not fit, I'm going to guess they were installing it in the wrong direction. And that's why they could not get it working, because as I just showed you, it's definitely a good fit for this model.